I love this Foothills Early Mountain. It is so delicious, and it just shows us how the AVA can really play into the blend of wine. So in Madison, where Early Mountain is located, they grow lots of Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Tannat, a little bit of Petit Verdot, and some Petit Manseng, all of which go into this delicious wine. For right now, I'm going to make some cheddar sliders. These are wonderful bacon cheddar sliders, so delicious. And we're gonna start off with a little spicy barbecue sauce. So in my pan, I have 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Just 8 ounces, that's one of those smaller cans of tomato sauce. And to that, I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of maple syrup. So this is going to be our delicious sweetener in this. Love these flavors together. About 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, which will give it a real richness that's totally different than a thin barbecue sauce. And then I want to add some cider vinegar. I love a good apple cider vinegar, and I try to buy local when I can. A little bit of Tabasco, just to give it a little bit of heat, but you don't have to put the Tabasco in it if you don't like the heat. A little bit of onion salt, and I like to use onion salt and garlic salt in this because it adds a little bit of saltiness. Now remember, the Dijon also has salt in it, so before you add any additional salt, make sure you taste it. A little bit of Worcestershire and some smoked paprika. This is where the smoked comes from. So good. Let's just kind of stir all that up. And then I'm gonna put it over on the cooktop to heat. Now in my bowl, I have some really lean ground beef. I like to use something that's maybe 92% lean, 90% lean, because we're going to add bacon fat to this. And when we do that, that's where our juiciness, that wonderful fat will come from. So I just want to pull this all apart. This happens to be a 92% lean, 8% fat. Just pull all that apart, and then I'm going to add about 6 slices of bacon that I've finely minced. It just makes this so delicious. So you can see that I've really almost ground that up. It's just a wonderful fine mince so that it just looks like that beef fat as it goes in. And then I'm gonna add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper that I just combined in here. And then let's give them a good mix. I love the way this burger comes together with the flavors in the wine because the bacon really brings out that hint of Tannat. There's so tiny little bit of Tannat in this blend, but to me, it really brings out that Tannat and the Petit Verdot. So this makes about 8 really nice sized sliders, and 2 per serving. Works great. So I'm just gonna make some little patties here, and then I want to get them into a really hot grill pan. And while that grill pan's getting nice and hot, I just want to keep stirring. I like to use a little whisk on my sauce. And you want to let this simmer for about an hour so it reduces a little bit, gets a nice thick texture. Oh, it's beautiful. And don't forget to test it for salt. Okay, the grill pan looks pretty hot to me. Let's see. Oh yeah. Now I want to get really nice grill marks on this, maybe about 5 minutes per side. Flip them, and then we'll be ready to serve. So I have my buns all ready. I put a little bit of my sauce down, a little onion, a little pickle, some lettuce and tomato, and just at the last minute, I put a little cheese on the burgers. Because I don't have a lid for my grill pan, I just used a pizza pan, just to make sure it all melts. So let's take a burger for each bun. And let's just put these tops of the buns on our burger. Oh, they look so delicious. And I just want to stick a little pin in there, just a nice little pick to keep it from falling apart on this beautiful platter. These burgers are so juicy, even if they are ultra well done. They are so wonderful, and I hope you're going to love them with this wine. So this beautiful Foothills by Early Mountain, oh, it's just incredible. And again, it pulls out the bacon, it pulls out the cheddar. It's just so fantastic. Sure hope you love it as much as I do.